I absolutely hate red tape. It just makes me feel blue. And that's all we do at my new job. The boss knows that the employees are unhappy, so he bought everybody a Ferrari, but that's just a white elephant, really? I mean, it should have been a red flag when I saw so many employees black out on my first day. But I didn't want to see it. Why? Because I'm getting so much green. Hi guys, it's Marine. Welcome back to my little English page. Did you hear all of the color expressions that I used? Well, that's what we're having a look at today. 6 color idioms or expressions that you can use in daily English. So, today's lesson is going to help make your English more colorful and natural, because we all know how much the English love their idioms and expressions. The first expression I used was red tape. Red tape. This is an expression that you will encounter in the business world quite often. Red tape refers to all of the rules and things that are unnecessary and slow down a process. So very often, paperwork is referred to as red tape. Then I said that red tape made me feel blue. To feel blue. If you feel blue, you are sad. Fun fact, the third Monday of January is called Blue Monday. Why Blue Monday? Because it is apparently the saddest day of the year. What do you think? Do you agree? Disagree? Let me know in the comment section. Then I talked about a white elephant. A white elephant. A white elephant refers to a possession that is useless or troublesome, specifically because it's very difficult to maintain or you just can't get rid of it. My example in the introduction was a Ferrari. That was my white elephant. Because it is a really cool present, it looks awesome, but it also costs a lot of money to maintain. Alright, next up is black out. Black out. This refers to a temporary loss of consciousness. It could be because of medical reasons, but nowadays it's quite common to use it to refer to a person that drinks too much and then can't remember anything the next day. For example, you all know my twin sister Sophie. She's French, she drinks way too much wine and she always ends up blacking out. I have to spend the morning after reminding her of all of the embarrassing things she's done. And last but not least is green. Green. Green refers to paper money. Now why green? Because American bills are green. So obviously this idiom is more American. For example, because Sophie spends too much money on wine, she's always out of green. Alright guys, this is the end of today's video. I'm curious to see if you know any other color idioms. If you do, please comment them in the section below. That's always very useful for others who read the comment section. Don't forget to follow my little English page on Facebook, Instagram, the blog. Of course, press the bell button, give some love to the video. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, keep on learning. Bye bye. It costs a lot of money.